and welcome back to my channel, joyfulyessi. I am Jessie. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the delicious arroz con gandules, aka Puerto Rican rice. And I'm going to keep this for beginners. So this is going to be easy, quick, and of course, very simple. So make sure to stick around. To my channel, I would like to encourage you to hit that button and subscribe. I love posting weekly videos about quick, simple, gluten-free recipes, wonderful and joyful moments with my family, and of course, some reflections. So if you like that kind of stuff, I encourage you, go ahead and click that button and that notifications tab. Now, if you've ever been to a Puerto Rican birthday party, a wedding, a picnic, a church picnic, Christmas, Thanksgiving, any sort of party, any sort of Puerto Rican restaurant, you will find this yellow rice with these little round things that aren't quite a bean, but you're kind of like, what is this? And those are called pigeon peas, okay? And that's what we use. Arroz con gandules. Arroz con gandules is our national dish. You will find it anywhere. Okay, that there is an event, and in my house, my family loves it. So if it was up to Sean and the kids, they'd be eating this rice like on a daily basis. So we call it party rice just because anywhere there's a Puerto Rican party, you bet that that rice cannot be missing. It does not matter what event it is, that rice is going to be there. And it's actually very simple to make. Now, the thing is, different people have different recipes and different ways, and everybody has their way. And to some people, this is the right way to make it. To other people, this is the right way to make it. But it's actually very simple. The way I make it, I've kind of developed my way. I remember my mom telling me, Yesenia, come over here and watch, because when you get married, you gotta know how to make your husband some good rice. And I remember standing and her telling me, first you do this. Now, when you start cooking yourself, you kind of start tweaking things here and there, and you make it your own once you start making your own food and you start getting comfortable with it. So I have my way of making it. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple way to make it, okay? I know that some people feel like they need this special sofrito and this and that. Now, I'm making it based on something for beginners. So if you've never made this before and you were going into Walmart or any grocery store that might have the Goya section, what are the items that you can use to help you make this arroz con gandules? Also, I understand that not everybody has this special pot called un caldero. I personally still don't have one. So I'm going to show you how to just simply make it in a regular pot. This is so delicious. It is so savory. It's so good. Not only is this delicious, but it is also gluten-free, which makes it even 10 times better for me. So if you've never tried it, you're in for a treat. If you tried it and you just wondered how to make it, make sure to stick around, because I am going to show you how simple it actually is. So for my recipe, these are the ingredients I like to use. And I kept these in their original container just so you guys can see what it would look like when you go to the store. For my recipe, I like to use 4 cups of medium grain rice. I don't like to use the long one. I always just cook with a short one. I love the texture of it. I don't know, it feels more authentic to me. It's just what I like. You're going to need about 1 cup of a meat of your choice. This can be hot dogs, this can be, it could be ham, it could be kielbasa. I love to use kielbasa. All right, the smoked kielbasa is just really good. It gives the rice a really good flavor. You are going to need sofrito. You don't have to have it, but it really does give it a good taste. Or you can buy this. is called recaito, and they also have the blue one that is sofrito. My store was out of the blue one, so I got recaito, and you typically would find this in the frozen refrigerators. And these items right here, you will find them with the Hispanic section, whether it is, they call it the Mexican or whatever section that they have, like where they have the tortillas and the taco seasonings and all that. Those items, you will find the Goya section. You're going to use something called sazón. This stuff is amazing. Okay. You're gonna need little packets of ham seasoning. You're going to need pigeon peas. These are the gandules, okay? The pigeon peas. This is what those tiny little bean-like things are. And of course, you're going to need adobo. And you are also going to need vegetable oil. And you're gonna need about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
So we will simply need 2 packets, 1 packet, 1 tablespoon, 1 can, 2 tablespoons, 1 cup, 4 cups of short grain rice, as well as 4 cups of water, and the pot to put it in.
Any pot that is a little bit deep, like this one, will do.
Now to begin our arroz con gandules, first we're gonna turn our stove up to high. Then we're going to put our 3 tablespoons of oil inside our pot. We're gonna make sure that it covers all of the bottom inside, just like this. Then we are going to take whatever your meat is, and we are simply going to place it inside the pot as well. We're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of sofrito in there, and we're going to let it simmer for a little bit. Once your meat and your oil is done simmering, add the 4 cups of rice in there, mix it around a little bit. Go grab your 4 cups of water. However many cups of rice you put in there is the exact same amount of water that you will also put in there. Then you're gonna add your 2 packets of sazón. Shake all the goodies out of that little packet. Then your little packet of ham flavor. And of course, your adobo. I eyeball it, but is about, I would say, a tablespoon. Once you have that situated, go ahead and give it one little mix. And you're going to let your rice sit there until it comes to a complete boil. Once your rice looks like this, you're gonna go and grab your can of gandules, and you will pour them over the rice, and with your spoon, just mix it in so that it mixes evenly with the rice and all the flavoring and the meat that you have in there. Once that part is done, you're gonna leave your rice there until it dries up. Once it dries up, you're gonna take your spoon once again and you're going to give it one final mixing. Once you give it that final mix, take your lid, put it on top, take your burner from high and make it all the way to low. Do not do anything else. Don't open the lid. Don't look inside the rice for 15 and 20 minutes. Just walk away.
Yes, you heard me. I just said for 15 to 20 minutes, cover that rice, walk away, and let it be. Like, don't touch it. Don't uncover it. I know you're gonna be tempted to, but don't. Just let it be. I mean, do something in the meantime. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Check your phone. Look out the window for 15 minutes. Just don't touch it. All right, just let it be. Let it do its thing. After those 15 minutes are up, you're gonna walk back You're gonna uncover and you're going to see, oh, you're gonna see right now what I got after the 15 minutes that I came back.
Just looks so delicious, doesn't it? You can pair this rice with fried chicken, maybe with some pork chops, with some pulled pork, any type of meat that you'd like, and maybe some potato salad on the side.
Here's the rice. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try and see how good it is. That's pretty good. I'm not trying to say like I'm the most amazing cook or anything like that, but it tastes really good. It's actually very yummy. Here you have it, guys. Perfect, delicious Puerto Rican party rice. And all you have to do is follow those directions every time you make it, and you will have perfectly cooked, not mushy, nice and tender rice. It is that easy. Go ahead, give it a try. You can do it. You can make it. I know you can. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.